Welcome children for standard 10th class English. Let us do the next chapter on wings of courage. This lesson is written about Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh. As you can see on the screen, the photograph of this personality. This is the biography of Arjun Singh, the only Air Force officer of India to be honored with the rank of Marshal of Air Force. He is known for his leadership skills, calmness, and courage. He also led India to victory in 1965 during the Indo-Pak War. Now let us go to the lesson, children. Open to page number 15. If you have your textbook, check it in your textbook, otherwise on the screen. Whatever meanings I will be giving you, please write it down in your notebook. Sorry. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Air Force, the only officer to attain means to achieve, the highest post of Marshal, the Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal. The qualities of Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces. Potent means powerful, and the fourth biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental, as the meaning is given along, great importance to the least. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership. Epitome means a perfect or unexceptional example. Military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. This is written by former Vice Chief of IAF, Kapil Kak said. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Sam Hommasji, Premji, Jamshedji Manekshaw, and K.M. Cariappa were the two only army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Known as a man of few words means he spoke very little. Singh was not only a fearless pilot, fearless over here means not very afraid of anything, but also had profound knowledge. Profound knowledge means complete knowledge, thorough knowledge about air power, and applied it in a wide spectrum. Spectrum over here means range of areas. Singh had assiduously led the IAF. Assiduously means he worked hard and showed careful attention to details of IAF. During the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. So first only we have told that he was the one who led India in the time of India-Pakistan war in the year 1965. Though Pakistan was having support of America, then even he was the one who contributed his main for the Indian Army. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. Commending his role in the war, Y.P. Chavan, the then defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable but a very able leader. Children, till now whatever we have read, we have seen his different qualities. So if you could underline them, please underline them. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese through the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Impal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon. Yangon, it was before known as Rangoon, today it is known as Yangon. Next page, children, page number 16. In recognition of his feat achievement, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross on the spot by Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia, the first Indian pilot to have received it. Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force. The abbreviation is RAF. Cranwell is the name of a place which is in England. In 1938, when he was only 19 years old, he retired from service in the year 1969. Now let us see his birthplace where he was born. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lialpur, which is now Faisalabad in Pakistan, and completed his education at Montgomery, which is now also in Pakistan, before now known as Sahiwal. His first assignment, that means work, on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes. These are the planes he used to before fly. The name of the plane was Wapiti. The meaning of here is already given over here. It is an old type of aircraft having two pairs of wings, one above the other. In the Northwestern Frontier Province as a member of the number 1 RIAF squadron. RIAF stands for it is the abbreviation for RIAF is the abbreviation. Now, next one, after a brief stint, means after some time, after some interval, with the newly formed number 2 RIAF squadron, where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces, he later moved back to number 1 squadron. SQN is the short form of squadron, as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. This is also a name of a plane. He was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in the year 1944. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat means to fight, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, that is DFC, in 1944. On August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading a flypast of over 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi. So he was the leader who had tried to be the one who led the different, how many 100 IAF craft over the Red Fort in Delhi. Even today when there is Republic Day, we have this type of things done in Red Fort. After his promotion to the rank of wing commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. Immediately after Indian independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of group captain. Ambala is the name of a city which is in Punjab. In 1949, he was promoted to the rank of Air Commodore and took over as Air Officer Commanding of an operational command, which later came to be known as Western Air Command. Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure as AOC. AOC stands for Air Officer Commanding of an operational base, initially from the year 1949 to 1952, and then again from 1957 to 1961. That means first he was in the year 1949 to 1952, and later on after the interval 1957 to 1961. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, He was appointed as the AOC. C stands for Chief of an Operational Command. Towards the end of the 1962 war, he was appointed as the Deputy Chief of the Air Staff, and he became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. So he was the overall commander of joint air training exercise called Shiksha, held between IAF, RAF and RAAF. That means he was the teacher for them. Page number 17. On August 1, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of Air Force Arjun Singh took over reign of IAF. Took over reign means to control of. At a time when it was still rebuilding. Rebuilding means growing itself, and was gearing up. Gearing up means getting ready to meet the new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency. Currency over here stands for the skills which he was very much having, and he had lot of experience of flying aircraft till his CAS rank. Having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II. Pre-World War means before the World War II. On biplanes to the more contemporary NATs. NATs is again the name of a plane. Contemporary means which are used now in the present times, modern times. And vampires. He has also flown in transport aircraft like the Super Constellation. These are the different names of the planes. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam, the name of the operation was Grand Slam, with an armored thrust targeted at the vital town. Vital means very important town of Akhnur. Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination, and professional skill. He inspired IAF to victory despite the constraints imposed. Constraints means limitations or restrictions imposed on the full-scale use of Air Force. Combat power means to fight the military. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute means intelligence and sharp knowledge of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of the Air Force's contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS was upgraded, and Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting forward bases. Forward bases over here means the ones which are protected areas of the military and units, and flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. So later on he became an ambassador in Switzerland. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. Now children, over here in this chapter, we have to learn about fact file. Composition, which is the writing skill over here, we have to understand is the fact file. The fact file means you have to write down the points which are already given in your textbook. If you see page number 18, over there it is given. So this will be your assignment. With the help of facts given in the text, prepare a fact file of Air Marshal Arjun Singh. Over here, all the points are given. You have to just fill up it. First is date of birth, already given in the prose lesson. Place of birth, education. First assignment. The assignment spelling is wrong, so you have to correct it. ASSIGNMENT. Assignment. Now here first assignment means what he did first. Then important posts held when he was in Air Force. All those important posts you have to write it down. then after retirement what he did, then different awards which he achieved, then what was his most outstanding contribution in IAF, that is very very important, which we have already written, and his retirement age. Of course over here they have not given about his death, but actually he is no more now, so that is why, but we don't have to write it about it. So you have to just fill in this in the form of fact file of Air Marshal Arjun Singh as your assignment. Third question which you can see over here is qualities of Arjun Singh. So you have to fill in the web as it is when we were doing the lesson. I told you mark the qualities of Arjun Singh. So these are your two assignments for the next time. Thank you very much for listening, children.